Unfortunately, your rooms are not quite yet ready. We are still putting in the finishing touches to your accommodations. However, you're with me now.
You unlock this door with the key of imagination. Beyond it is another dimension. A dimension of sound. A dimension of sight. A dimension of mind. You're moving into a land of both shadow and substance, of things and ideas. You've just crossed over into the Twilight Zone.
Hollywood, 1939. Amid the glitz and the glitter of a bustling young movie town at the height of its golden age, the Hollywood Tower Hotel was a star in its own right, a beacon for the show business elite. Now, something is about to happen that will change all that. The time is now, on an evening very much like the one we have just witnessed. Tonight's story of the Twilight Zone is somewhat unique and calls for a different kind of introduction. This, as you may recognize, is a maintenance service elevator, still in operation, waiting for you. We invite you, if you dare, to step aboard because in tonight's episode, you are the star. And this elevator travels directly to the Twilight Zone.
The hotel's ready for you now. So best foot forward.
I forgot about this part.
You're okay, baby. It's not scary, I promise you.
I do sincerely hope everyone here enjoys this.
Oh, it's my pleasure. Follow row 4 to the middle left. Follow my row 3 to the middle right. Splendid. Hands up! Thank you so much for choosing the Hollywood Tower Hotel. I hope you enjoy the rest of your stay with us. And I recommend taking the stairs next time.
You are the passengers of the most uncommon elevator about to ascend into your very own atmosphere. The Twilight Zone. One stormy night long ago, 5 people stepped through the door of an elevator and found a nightmare. That door is opening once again, and this time, it's opening for you. To discover what lies beyond the 5th dimension, beyond the deepest, darkest corner of the imagination, in the Tower of Terror. back to those of you who made it, and a friendly word of warning, something you won't find in any guidebook. The next time you check into a deserted hotel on the dark side of Hollywood, make sure you know just what kind of vacancy you're filling, or you may find yourself a permanent resident of the Twilight Zone.
Ladies and gentlemen, please gather your belongings and watch your step as you exit through the elevator doors. We trust upstairs at the Hollywood Tower. You'll come back.